LeadsGorilla is a lead generation tool built for local marketers, agencies, and freelancers who work with small businesses. Its main strength is helping you find and qualify prospects pretty fast. You can search for businesses by location and niche, and pull their contact details and run audits on their Google My Business or Facebook profiles. These audits flag issues like missing reviews, poor SEO, or incomplete profiles, giving you instant talking points when pitching your service. The platform also lets you export leads and integrate them into your outreach tools so you can follow up with email, calls, or social media messages automatically. On the plus side, users love the simplicity, the ability to uncover high potential prospects in minutes, and how it removes the guesswork from identifying who needs help. It's especially handy for pitching services like SEO, web design, or social media management. The downsides, it's focused on local business niches, so it's not best fit for large B2B sales. Some users also say the contact info can be outdated in certain searches, so it's worth verifying before outreach. Overall, LeadsGorilla is powerful. It's a time-saving tool for agencies and consultants targeting local clients, especially if you want quick, audit-backed insights to make your outreach more effective.